See, vision is the most part of the body which is being taken for granted. That's what we say. It's called as taken for granted. Why? Because if you have an issue on your ears or teeth or any part of your body, you just to get the healing of it. No matter whatever time it takes, no matter whatever days it takes, whatever treatment it takes. You go for X treatment, Y treatment, Z treatment. Think, can you see my screen there, guys? Yes, ma'am?
Yes, sir. We can see your screen, sir.
Okay. Done.
Yes.
Okay. So vision is taken for granted since childhood for everyone. Even as our host said that. So what happens is the number keeps on increasing. The only allopathic system has been in function for so many years, but still we don't think about the other ways of learning. There are so many ways. India is not about only one system. Keep in mind, allopathic is one of the systems. It's not the one and only system. The natural methods are there, homeo is there, Ayurveda is there, so many parts are there. So I was a school for perfect vision from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Myself, I am Satish Kumar, begin practice for 21 years of therapy. Right now, for the past 5 years, I've been practicing vision therapy, an exclusive vision therapy center where we deal with only vision problems. Vision problems means we don't include all those cataract, glaucoma, all those stuff. For that part, I make it very clear, we go for prevention mode only. The primary part we deal is myopia and hypermetropia. And my research is on the way. So myopia, that means people are short-sighted. They can see the near distance. They cannot see the far distance. Generally, it happens in children, of late in adults too. Myopia is a major threatening factor in India after diabetes and hypertension. Keep that in mind. One population of India has been diabetic. Everyone knows that. Hypertensive, again, people know that. The rest part is myopic. People are short-sighted. They can't see far distance. It has been increasing rapidly over a number of years, and people just ignore it for so many years because things are very easy. You can't see a figure of 10 feet and above. You just put your glasses or lenses, things are done. There are so many statistics, but Indian statistics being very practical, what it says is 1 out of 5 or 6 children born in India are myopic. Maybe out of 60, 70 participants right now here, at least 30 families would have been myopic, either they themselves or their children. So this was my topic of my research study for the Ethics Committee clearance in Tamil Nadu. I'm doing my PhD in a medical university. Probably this is the first study being done in a medical university by a therapist. So once it comes out, clear out well. So we'll be the almost first guy in India to come up with a proper research guided by a proper guide done in a medical university. Then we can publish a journal of international standards so that it can be followed by all students in future. We just go by ICMR guidelines. So everyone knows that we have been using a lot of mobiles and computers. That's one part of the reason for increasing power. Another part is like being genetically prone, or you're causative Asian or different parts of India where you live in out of India, like Dubai, Singapore, other countries where you have high-rise buildings, you don't see the opportunity to go outside your home, no greenery to play. Even the school doesn't give you permission to play in the schools, like, playtime, because you're in 8th or 10th grade. It was what quietly it happens. But before knowing that, first thing you want to understand is eye is like your routine organ structure, like any part of your body. That is just like your shoulder and your bones and your muscles. No, it needs a function of your shoulder, for your elbow, for your neck, for everything. Same for the eye. So a small intro of the nerve supply. Okay, it has got few nerves. We say as cranial nerves, which origins from the brain, goes for different parts. For taste, you have a different nerve. For smell, you have a different nerve. Olfactory, optic nerve for vision, oculomotor for your eyeball movements. Like that, eye is an integration of process. Keep in mind, it's an integration of all the process. Then only you can see a clear vision. Any problem at any part, maybe oculomotor nerve doesn't work, your eyeball doesn't move, your vision is stuck. Optic nerve is not good, vision is not processed properly. Okay, like that, just to make you simplified to understand. And there are 6 main muscles in the eye, which moves upwards, downwards, right, left, cross, rotation, spiral, all the directions. So even certain muscles are weak, you can go for weakness and fatigue. A lot of people would have had it. And squint, probably squint is even ignored. Somebody has squint, we think it's lucky for a family, either leave it, or squint is more, it got operated. Sometimes it may come again, may not come again. Depends on person to person or the doctor who's going to treat it. But we don't think that squint is of 3-4 varieties: mild, moderate, severe, very severe. Mild cases, always it can be rectified 101%, very, very clean. Because of tightness of one muscle, pull it this side, or weakness of the other muscle, again goes to the opposite side. So this is the vision process. Anything we have seen in the object, you can just see the guy over here riding a bicycle. This is the human eye, entire structure. The image is processed, crosses multiple layers, cornea, pupil, iris, lens, all the stuff enters to the retina, right on the spot. Yes, now the image is very clear. The guy is clear, the cycle spokes is clear, anything is clear. All the colors, the distance you can manage, anything is very clear there. The image is passed with optic nerve to the brain, things are done. Okay, what is normal vision? So whatever view, number, letters, whatever you can see here, bangs on the spot, retina, your vision is always clear. Suppose it doesn't travel to the full length, falls short. You can see the dot here. It's called as myopia. You have to squeeze in your eyes, or you have to pop up further to see the object. That's called as myopia. That means the guy can see near, he can't see far. Right opposite is straight away is hyperopia. The same image which you have seen here rightly doesn't go well here. It goes fast beyond the retina point. So you have to pull it back. That's why you can see some people getting the books, newspaper nearby, they just tilt their head, either backwards or they move their arm forwards to adjust the length. Next is astigmatism. There will be a lot of questions in astigmatism. Cylindrical power. A lot of people will say cylindrical power, one comes, it never goes. It's not true at all. Even a deadly disease, corona, can be cured with good health. Why not? The vision problems. So normal eye, myopia, astigmatism. Hope you guys okay with this. The same. Plus eye has fluid, it circulates around. We know that. Okay. So what is normal vision? How you manage to test it? Once you go to a hospital or a lab or whatever, or optometric centers, the vision distance is 20 feet. 20 feet. 1 feet is 1 arm's length, so 20 feet of that. This is the Snellen chart. This is the gold standard for anywhere in the world. There are different font sizes. You can see this is a bigger font. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. So the person has to read the 7 lines with this single eye. In that case, the vision is good on one side. Next, close another eye. Read with this. Maybe it's got stuck here, probably. So I repeat it again. Right eye, the guy was able to read, completely done. Left eye was able to read till here. The last 2 lines, not visible. In that case, he's got short in vision. He is slightly myopic. So to make the guy read the 2 lines, he requires some kind of power, the number required. So it may be 0.5, 0.75, 1.5, whatever it may be. They keep and try with trial lenses, different trial lenses, maybe coming around 1. With applying number 1, he can see the 2 lines. In that case, it's called as -1 number. Here comes 2 issues. What kind of lens was needed? One thing was the spherical number. One is the cylindrical number. So that I'll explain later. So if it is a spherical number, it is -1 spherical, left eye. Right eye was normal. So that guy will be having a glasses, power on one side, be plain on the other side. So what is vision therapy? Vision therapy is a set of medically supervised, non-surgical, customized program for an individual, where you do a lot of eye exercise, therapy, practices for that. So these are some popular vision exercise programs in India. You would have been heard about this. Isha Yoga, the familiar one in Coimbatore. Along with other parts of the body, they do even vision exercise also, but of course a small bit. Next, Patanjali, you know better than me, in fact. Valga Valamudan, that's another famous program in Chennai. Bates method, this is what I'm going to talk about in detail. It's an American method. And one is Mr. Asana Andiyappan, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. So what people do here is, they go with the same set of programs, anywhere and everywhere. See, I am 45, you are 25, another is a kid for 10 years. We all guys go for the same set of programs. We just don't do as individual program. One guy has a power of -2, another guy has a mild power, another guy has a very high power. All the people are given the same program with the same structure, the same repetition, same number of days, and there is no reviews at all. That is the major aspect. Review is very, very important. Just like the dosage, maybe I'm teaching you to do 20 times, you're not comfortable, I have to reduce the number. In that case, review is very, very important. Here only we come into play. So what are the benefits of eye exercise? First thing is improves vision. You will know that. Prevents deterioration. So you know that you would have been tried with so many lenses. Power has been increasing over a period of time. Slowly, slowly. We can stop it also. Improve blood supply. Improve the focus. Very important. Strain, headaches, and improve your healthy lifestyle. So Bates method in detail. There have been some practitioners here and there, but followers is the key. It is like a coach giving to the players. Like the players is the key. Whatever the coach gives support from outside, that doesn't come into role until the player does it on the field. Sun treatment. Sun should not be seen with our open eyes. We recommend with closed eyes because there are few controversies here and there. Next is eye wash. Eye wash you can do with the help of eye cups or splashing on your eyes. And eye exercise that I demonstrate surely. Candle lamp reading, chart reading. Chart reading in the sense, earlier I told that in 20 feet, if you're able to read the chart, you are fine. If not, still you'll be able to read in some distance, maybe 10 feet or 12 feet or 15 feet, whatever. That is the call your vision distance, we say. Your shortfall is 5 feet, the visible distance is 15 feet. From there, we measure manually also, as well technically also. Eye massage, acupressure, ball exercise, that's mainly for kids, grill exercise. There are so many demonstrations on that. So this is the sun treatment, first part. Make the person face the sun, the closed eyes, expose few minutes. You know that the heat of the sun has got enormous effect. So that palming you can do n number of days time, like, you can do that, repeat it when you're traveling also. This eye movements, see here you can see adult is there, middle-aged ladies are there, school kids are here, college students are there. So we have all different age groups. We have an individual chart for everybody. Maybe it's online training or it may be personal training, whatever. Everybody has a different number. You have been using for 2 years, one person using for 10 years, one is recent user. With that, we go for a protocol. So this to make things easier, we just did with the support of a ball. And this is the major important thing here because we were being seen differently by the world of medicos. Like we are competing them. Where the doctor says, ophthalmologist says, once power has come, it has come. It cannot go until you do a surgery or you have to die with it. You can either use lens or glasses, whatever, up to your affordability level. But it's not that. We had a tough time initial years just to show them, like, you can get results. After I got the results, people started recommending. You can see that. So leading hospitals in Tamil Nadu, red lines have been, I've advised alternate eye patching and convergence exercise, extraocular muscle exercise, convergence exercise, like that. Now we started getting referrals from hospital, which you cannot believe, honestly, I'll tell you, because being a nature practitioner and doing some kind of therapy stuff, getting a recommendation from allopathic hospital letterpad is not that easy until you prove yourself. So thanks to my clients who have done that great job. This just to anything, no result counts. Whatever we speak, whatever we do, what's the score, right? That's obviously Indian style. What's your score? That's it. Just for example, I show you a few samples over here. I just try to include all the varieties here. So this small girl of just 5 years, okay, Ilakia, -1 cylindrical number, 2.5, it's a different number. Now we can see this side. The power is reduced in few months. The girl of 15 years, 10th standard girl studying there in nearby school, you can see this is spherical number. This girl has spherical and cylindrical both. This is right eye, this is left eye. This is previous and this is later. You can see that 1.75 has gone, 0 here. 1.75 is gone, 0.75 here. This madam, mind the age, she is 47. She is, I've shown you 5 years, shown you 15 years, I'm going to 47. This is a very interesting case because this person had all the problems. Spherical +1, that is far distance is a problem. Near vision, near is also a problem. Cylindrical, the clarity is also a problem. She had all the problems possible in the person. Even this just to motivate you, like even in 50 years, you can get results. Anything isn't properly, even 80, you can go for a marathon. Nobody can say no. You can see that spherical number is gone. Near vision number is reduced half. It's all just been a few months. Still the process going on. Again here, the 6 years guy, plus number. There's another variety called plus number. People get a little confused about plus number and minus number. Just make it simple in 2 lines. Children may have plus number and minus number both. That means the minus number has a problem only in distance. This is comfortable for them. Maybe this or this, comfortable. If they have plus number, both can become a problem, long and short in children. But beyond 40, 45 years, if they have plus number, 99% they have problem only in reading, maybe mobile text reading or a newspaper reading. Far is always comfortable for them. But see that there's a plus number, another variety of the 6 years, maybe. See the difference here. It's a time frame. In few months, you can achieve the results. The same gentleman of same 40, 45 years. This only for minus. That's why I show the varieties. I just added that. You can see the hospital names because see people saying you're okay, doing a better job, good, that's fine. But certifying with somebody else is even greater than you can expect that. And till that you have seen people have tested somewhere else before and somewhere else later on. Then came a controversy. Sir, one guy is taken here, next time is gone to another. Eyes can differ, views can differ, points can differ. Okay, we'll make a deal, go over the same place, before and after. There we have no other control. You can see that. Then we started varieties saying to the same person, before and after. Whoever it may be, it's their person's client's choice. You can go anywhere as you like. So we have like this. These are leading hospitals. This is one solid result. One boy, Mr. Kalyan, 15, 14 years. This is last year, summer vacation, same time. 25 plus 4.25. Just 2 months down the line, you can see power has gone drastically down. 3 is number is reduced. This class was that thick. We made it that thin. This vacation was supposed to come, but we know what happened since last month. Otherwise, this time would have been totally out of classes. There's an NRI client. You can see that she's gone 0. Some people ask, the number may reduce. Can it become 0? Yes, Baba, it can become. Just see that. It's all certified by Orchid Hospital. This happened last year, July, August time. You can see the date also as well. If you want to see more results, you can go to my website, schoolforperfectvision.com or .in. Schoolforperfectvision.com.in. You can see a lot of results there. So next is your very important zone of computer vision syndrome, where a lot of people get. And this month is horrible and that. So first thing is eye strain, a headache, watering, eye irritation, redness, neck pain, shoulder pain, etc. For that, a few simple tips. This 20-20 rule, the number one golden rule. That means for every 20 minutes of your vision, you should see 20 feet or beyond that, maybe through a window or from a door or whatever. Take frequent intervals, very simple as that. then this has to be 2 feet length. That is your screen to your eyes, 2 feet. Okay. Next is lighting. Lighting should not be on front of your face. It has to be behind or from the top. Even from behind, it should not fall on the screen. Neck position, slightly bent, slightly flexed 10 degrees, not beyond that. Frequent blinking. We suppose you're seeing interesting video or something important. We forget to blink. That's a natural process for our vision to keep blinking on its own. No matter whatever you do, you drive, you do whatever it is, just keep automatically blinking. But we make it as a standstill. Next comes the news. What is news? North, east, west, south. This is the screen. I'm watching it right now like this. North, east, west, south. You can rotate your eyes in between with a blink, all the 4 directions. It's a very useful tip here. Then you can just cross. The screen is rectangle shape or a wider one. There are 4 corners. You can see the corners and blink like an X or like an oval, anything. Blink on all the steps. And eye wash. So whenever you get in between up, you can do an eye wash frequently. And this is one thing Tamil Nadu government has recently done. September, just a few months back, it has been given a notification that people in schools are not coming out like before. So there has been a lot of increase in number of vision problems. That's a serious dietary concern of vitamin D and calcium, as well as vision problem. So the schools in the government, Tamil Nadu has been advised strictly to come out and play for a certain number of hours. So it's got the government attention. Again, in Tamil Nadu, we have a system of giving food to the government school children. So they've added vitamin A drops because everybody knows that vitamin A is essential for the eyes. Just like the polio drops, they may be adding shortly from this academic year because now the government even got the awareness of the problem, seeing how large it goes. So this is the India, myopia has been increasing steeply, 13 to 18%. That is 1 out of 5 to 6 are easily myopic. It has been increasing. So the biggest challenge is controlling the power and improving themselves. And mind it, glasses merely improve your vision, doesn't improve your eyes. So any questions?
Thank you so much, Dr. Satish, for such a detailed view of how we can improve naturally our eyes.
Yes,
so I'll start taking the questions one by one now. I request all the participants, please type your questions so that we can take them one by one. Okay, Dr. Satish, there is one question where they're saying, can you please repeat the computer syndrome remedy?
Okay. So what is computer vision syndrome? Eye redness, eye irritation, eye watering, headache, occipital headache, frontal headache, sometimes neck pain. These are the symptoms. So this can happen for people who are myopic and not myopic also. The other crowd, which doesn't have vision problem. It can happen for both the crowds. First thing will be adjusting your brightness. Don't make it too bright. Step number 1. Step number 2, as possible, you can use it in natural light, not in the room light. Third, very important is, don't keep it in the corner of the wall. Don't get stuck there. Just try to face the windows or the door side where you can frequently see the far distance. That's number 3. Fourth is, you can see the palming. You would have seen in the picture. You can rub your palms both like this, make a warm, keep a few seconds frequently. The next step is blinking frequently. The next step is seeing all the corners of the system. Or you can even close your eyeballs. You can see north, south, east, west. Or you can even go cross. The eyes closed or even eyes open with the blinks in between. Get frequently up and wash your face. Same time you can wash your eyes. We have separate cups for that. Small cups are available. If not, you can just do it on yourself straight away. Lighting, more important, should not be on your face. So that you don't see 2 lights. One on the screen on top of that. It can be behind or right on top. For n number of steps, you can see which suits you. Even the people in bigger halls and offices, you can keep a big plant in the corner of the office so that you can see it distantly even. Or you want to drink water, keep it far. Don't keep it next to you. So you can go, get up, go, take a break and come back just naturally.
Thank you, Dr. Satish. The next question is, wish to cure floaters. Please share cure for it.
Yeah. Floater is a different picture. So what happens is, there are like free protein fluids in the eye just gets floated. That means a person who is having floaters will see black spots here and there. Sometimes it will be still, sometimes it will be moving. In the background of a white wall, you can see more number, but you can't see in a crowd. I repeat that, you can't see in a crowd. Maybe your Mumbai train or whatever, no floaters can be seen at all. Again, once you mind it, you can see more. If you forget it, it disappears. 50% of floaters is true, 50% is not. The another percentage is we increase it by ourselves, by being more and more conscious. Yes, see, the object is moving here, here, here. Now it's here, I can touch here. See, this is the spot. People say that. But 50% it's true, 50% is an exaggeration of symptoms. But the real remedy is what I have steps I told for computer vision syndrome. You can try that. 75% we have relief. Allopathic system doesn't have any treatment for floaters. For that, you can try vision therapy. You can have beautiful remedy for floaters, for sure.
Thank you so much, Dr. Satish. Next question is, wish to get rid of near and distant glasses.
So can I know the age, ma'am? Age of the person?
Okay, so this question will take maybe, because I think everybody will have this kind of a question. So I can't see their name. So I'm going to the next question. So I request the person, please write your age. In the meanwhile, I'm taking other questions. Are there any therapies for glaucoma?
Okay. I just finish off your earlier question because till that get some information from me. See, eye is about focus, far and near. The primary thing is eye has to focus. Even in school books you would have been read, eye is like a camera. It has to focus far and near. So these people will go additional training for both the therapies. That's it. We have a standard format for myopic, standard format for hypermetropic. These problem, I think I showed you a lady of 47 years who had both the problems. That's why I showed you that. So for that, it takes the time little extra. That's it. The normal course is this much big period. That takes a little lengthier period. That's it. Otherwise, definitely it's possible if you don't have any other medical issues. Next comes your glaucoma. Glaucoma is nothing but increase in eye pressure. Just like your body pressure, 120, 80 mmHg. It is called as 15 to 18, 15 to 18. Earlier, these allopathic guys made it till 20 is normal, 20 mmHg. Slowly, as they reduced the diabetes number, they made this as 18. Now, beyond 18, it's called as your glaucoma. Glaucoma, if you take allopathic treatment, it should have taken for a long time. They will never stop it, nor they leave you to stop it. Number one. Number two is, we aim in glaucoma prevention by doing few therapies and relaxation exercise. Relaxation technique means exercise is less, relaxation part is more. We've got details on that. We got therapies on that. But I don't have much of data, to be very honest. Our next area of focus is going to be glaucoma after this myopia. Yes, we can prevent it very easily. The number is about 20 or 21. Beyond 2021, you need medical support along with this.
Thank you so much. Next question is, my daughter has cylinder 1. She's 8 years.
8 years, okay. Cylindrical power, if you can check your daughter vision, you can take a hall of 15 feet, okay? Maybe you can have a calendar or some letters put up there. Your daughter, let her wear the glasses and read the distance. Let her not wear the glasses. See, this is the case. Okay, -1 cylinder. Exactly, if you're able to see my screen, cylinder number 1. So the distance, what she's seeing with cylinder glasses, without is almost the same. I make it very clear. Keep a 15 feet distance in the hall or your room, whatever. Keep a calendar of different font numbers. Tell your daughter to read the distance with the glasses. She can read both. Sometimes she can juggle the numbers. The 5 may look like 6, 3 may look like 8. It's a slight blurring of vision only. That can be easily rectified. Need not worry at all. It's called as astigmatism, we say. You can see the reports here. I can show you that. This is a 5 years. Similar to 2.5 number, you can see it has been reduced half. Daughter has only 1, not even half of this. It's very easy, man, for sure.
Thank you. The next question is, what are grill exercises?
Okay. So grill is nothing but, I will show you. Just like your window grills, we have. So idea is to see a long distance as long as possible, maybe 30, 40, 50 feet, long distance. This is a grill exercise. 30, 40 feet distance in a smaller way, small object. And you just keep like grill in front of your face. You just start moving alongside. So idea is to see through the space and rest in between. See, rest, till you come out. That means the idea is to keep focus, eyeball muscle control, increase in the focal length, along with increase in your vision distance. That's grill exercise.
Thank you. The next question is, can you please recommend methods to improve dry eyes?
Dry eyes. So
yes.
First thing is, why do you get dry eyes? Number one, there is a fluid rotating your eyes. There's a duct here. You could see that. You can close your eyes and touch and see. There's a duct here. This part. This aqueous, vitreous, humor flows in there like this, just like a tube. For some children, there's a small struck here. That case is you can do a small acupressure massage here frequently, many times a day. So more specifically in the early mornings and late evenings, duct might release. So the problem gets over. That's number one. Number two, the duct is stuck in between. Doctors, they do a small puncture here. That's surgical side, just for information, they say that. And next is acupressure here, continuously few minutes. You get watering naturally. So the dryness goes off. If in case it's a college student or a guy working system 30, 40 years old, they get dry eyes, it's due to wrong habits. Not blinking frequently, keeping their eyes staring for a long time, so that the air-conditioned room or the weather, whatever, the fan keeps yourself dry. Take more and more fruits and vegetables. Take more fluids. Keep blinking. Water wash. If you go for medicine, like refresh tears or optic tears and all, you have to take for a long, long time. It's a pure chemical, not advisable at all.
Thank you, Dr. Satish.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, my son is 17. He has Stargardt's disease, form of a macular degeneration of the retina. What would you be able to infer? Thank you.
So generally, we don't take this kind of cases, honestly, because now it's a macular degeneration. So why degeneration happens, nobody knows. Still on research, no effective remedies, any kind of treatment has been effective so far. So sorry to say that, but we get cases like this, maybe 1 or 2 in a month. In that case, we integrate with the ophthalmology surgeon, whoever it deals with. Nutrition plays an important part in that macular degeneration, more than the vision therapy. Better you can go for a good health practitioner for a nutrition advice. That's more better than vision therapy for this Stargardt's disease.
Thank you so much. So next is, can he please explain the 20-20 rules? So somebody wants to know again the 20-20 rules.
Yeah, it's very simple. 20, 20, 3 20s actually. 3 20s. 20 minutes beyond 20 feet for 20 seconds. 20, 20, 20. That means every 20 minutes of a screen time, take a 20 seconds break, see something which is 20 feet and beyond that. Very simple. Make it simple terms, hourly break of 2 or 3 for a minute in between. That's it.
Thank you so much. Next question is, kindly guide diet for avoiding cataract.
Okay. That's even, you got a lot of practitioners here. We're just very basic people there. But still, I'll tell you, since you have asked that, maybe I can share my diet chart also with you. So any food you can see in red, green, and orange. Red, green, orange. Or the mixture of that. Okay, and yellow along with. That is vitamin A and vitamin C. That is major for cataract. Even cataract studies are not that proven only with diet. Okay, but vision therapy plays a major role in cataract. Maybe yes, Wilcure has got a lot of nature practitioners with that. I think I just refer this case to them.
Yes, on the diet, thank you so much, Dr. Satish. On the website of WellCure, we have many recipes which will show you many colorful foods, as he mentioned that your food plate should be colored. Thank you so much. The next question is it okay if eyes burn in chlorine water while swimming?
See, it depends on person to person. See, if 10 people go for swimming, 3 people get. The 7 people don't get. That shows your intolerance. If you get any kind of allergic symptoms, maybe redness or itching, not really nice in your earbuds, neck, somewhere, that doesn't suit you. If redness is there for half an hour, 1 hour, then it goes off, it is absolutely fine.
Thank you so much. Next question is, in nature cure, it is recommended to do sun gazing with open eyes, but you were saying do it with closed eyes. Can you put some light on it?
Yes, ma'am. There is always a controversy here. In fact, some people says that, no, you can see the early morning sunrise on the seaside, okay? Not on our tree terrace, okay? Terrace of our house. And some people can see the sunset. There's one part of study. But this Bates method, which has been inducted, which has been practiced over years, says that close. The idea is to get the sun heat as a source of vitamin D and heat. That's what we recommend. But still there are people practicing with that, but I don't want to comment on that.
Thank you so much. Next one is, my son is 10 years old with an eye power of -2.5. He struggles seeing the blackboard in school. Please assist.
Okay, so that is myopic, maybe spherical number, probably spherical number. 2.5 person means he can see hardly 10 feet. That means if a classroom of 5 benches or 6 benches, he'll be struggling in 1 or 2 benches. So this, we can book them for a session where we can go for the group session, individual session. After a few months or a month or 2, they'll go for a review for checkup, the nearest optometric center. You can start reducing numbers. It goes by practice for sure.
Yeah, that's the same thing which we are going to mention after this quick Q&A. We are going to share about the program details where you can have a one-on-one session or a group session with Dr. Satish. So next question is, how can we get rid of blepharitis in spite of personal hygiene?
Okay, it happens, you know, sometimes we can't, as even the earlier video says, however healthy and hygienic we are, sometimes we are prone just to boost our system and refresh our system. Otherwise, specifically, no specific complaints on that. It's a recyclable disease. It just goes off in between. Nothing to be that concerned and scared of.
Thank you so much. I got LASIK surgery at age of 24, and after 15 years, I have got cylindrical power -0.75. Please suggest some particular exercises for cylindrical vision. My age is 42.
Yeah, see, this is one very big, interesting topic here. I'll tell you. See, this story applies to 50% of the crowd who are listening here and off the screen also. I'll tell you. A person, maybe 20, 21 years, with the power of keep it 2 or 3, goes for a LASIK surgery. The first thing the doctor does is, doesn't tell that this is a temporary one. Mind your words, okay? Even I mind my words also. 10 years is the maximum life. If you get a life more than that, you've got justice for your payment. Some people get 5 to 7 years recur power. Okay, what they do is the corneal ablation has been stunned by laser. So light passes in through easier. But still you keep working, maybe whatever kind of work it is. 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, the power starts slowly building up. But when you realize it's been somewhere -1, there is no option of resurgery at all as on date anywhere in the world. The option is either accept and use the glasses or lenses, or come to us, we'll take care. Next question.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm just giving you the next question now. When I wake up in the morning, my eyes are always watering. I'm 52-year-old diabetic.
Okay. So this could be some other issue. I don't think it's a myopic or hypermetropic. It's a quite a rare variety of this. Watering may be due to a struck here in the duct, that's why it's watering, or some irritation in the eyes. Just get with your physician opinion along with routine eye check. If they clear out all the other stuff, we can start practicing. Or if the underlying disease or something like that, let's treat that first, then we can go for vision therapy. Some causative organism is there. Sure.
Thank you so much. So it's possible to live even old age without power glasses if adequate preventive care was taken?
Yes, many people are there right around you.
Okay. I am 37 years old, using glasses since last 26 years. I have high cylindrical too. Can I get freedom from them? So can we recommend them that they can attend our session? Can they get rid of
Yes,
these
madam.
things?
We can do that, but probably they might need a longer duration session or a breakup session. Now a
Sure.
session, and after a few months a second session. If the people who
Okay.
are high in numbers, what is high in number? More than 4.5. They're high
So
in
you are
numbers.
saying that people who have a more than 4 or 4, 5 number, they'll need more sessions, but the less than that
Yes.
number can be taken care in the session, which
Yes,
we are going to
yes,
talk
madam.
about now.
Very much, yeah. Maybe it's a
Yeah.
breakup session of 2 sessions or a lengthier session. We can plan a little bit separately for that.
Yeah. My son age is 9 years, facing itching and burning in eyes. Can you suggest remedies? Have consulted doctor. They have given lubricant, sometimes steroids.
So what was the cause? Does it get an idea of them? What was the underlying
Okay.
cause?
Okay, we'll talk that in the personal thing. My wife has a dot in left eye since birth. It's like a mole in the eye. She cannot see far from left eye. Doctors are going to say do surgery.
Okay, so that is not our case actually. You can go
Okay.
with it.
Good morning, sir. Is there any treatment for swelling on retina? Patient is diabetic but not hypersensitive.
Okay. Swelling retina, it's called as now retina is being affected due to diabetes for sure. So that case, diabetes has to come down by nature cure or some other methods. That's the first part. Second part, we can assist you. When the medical condition stabilize, we can assist you second part, not on the primary part. Go for the second part for us.
I am a swimmer and model also. Most of the time I'm in front of camera or in water. So any exercise or therapy for it?
Yes, definitely. Yes, you can book for the sessions right away. You can be the first
Shan.
one.
Okay, Sangeeta, you could be the first one to book our session. My husband is -5 in both eyes. Can this be reduced with exercises? Thank you.
So I just want to information. The other question, just
Sure,
want to
sure.
mention the age, ma'am. Anywhere, no, I can be
Okay,
easier
yeah.
for me. I don't have husband, right? Personally.
Sure, I got it. I'm 50, have near distant vision and watery eyes too. Is it possible to cure this?
Yes, yes. These are all on the list for us. Straight away.
Okay, so I think it's the course is the okay, dear all. Thank you so much, doctor, for taking these
Thank
questions. Yeah, so this I want to mention to all of you that this course is both preventive and curative. Measurable benefits and eye health is for lifetime. So we are going to have a customized program now to eye condition, and Dr. Satish has experience to training over more than 10,000 people. We have very limited seats because these are the individual sessions. So I request you to all register at the earliest. Now I'm going to request my colleague Pratik to play the promo video so you understand that what the session we are going to talk about. So basically whatever Dr. Satish has shown you, all those exercises and his that what is the way you can treat different kind of problems naturally. And I myself has visited his clinic in Coimbatore. His team is really very passionate and he himself is very passionate. I always see when you see the team passionate, it flows from the top. So it talks a lot about Dr. Satish, that how much passionate he is, and even he is doing a lot of Rotary work for people to get the benefits from same. So we are very fortunate at WellCure to have him here. So we are organizing a group sessions for with him and one-on-one session. We will share the details. Please stay tuned. I request my colleague Pratik to play the promo video. Pratik, over to you. Yeah, this is, dear all, thank you so much, Prateek. So this is the program which we are announcing with Dr. Satish. If you see, the whole program structure is, it is a 3-week program where you will have a 1 group session and 2 1-on-1 sessions. And there is going to be a 3-week group support to you for achieving the measurable results. Now, what are the benefits? Understanding the principles of the natural eyesight improvement, practical demo of dozens of exercises to increase your eye health, learn simple practices to refresh the eyes and mind, implement techniques to ease reading, driving, and computer eye strain. And there is another benefit for you all to join the program here with us today, the webinar. We are not giving you 10% off, we are giving you 15% off. And we have made it very easy for you. I request my colleague Prateek to share the scan code. So you can directly scan from the screen and pay right away. You will be getting 15% off. Now we will keep the window open for 10 minutes so that you can pay right away and get the benefit of this discount. Prateek, I request you to guide them how to do the scan.
So please, people who have logged in through their laptop, I request you to scan this code through your phone and you will be directly redirected to the payment link. We will also send the payment link in the group so that you can easily access it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Satish. If you want to leave, you can leave now and we'll take care from here. The timings. I request Ankur to share the timings. Ankur, what will be the timings?
So the group session will be on 25th April from 11 to 12:30. That session will include a detailed presentation by Dr. Satish and sharing of the common minimum program with everyone, and also take up any questions people may have. And then what we will be doing is we'll be scheduling 2 sessions over between 25th April to 16th May, wherein there will be one-on-one sessions. 2 one-on-one sessions for each participants will be conducted, and it will be customized to the eye condition or the requirement of that individual. And those sessions will be close to an hour each. So 1.5 to 2 hours for the group session, 1 hour, 2 1-hour sessions spread over 2 to 3 weeks. And plus we will have a temporary WhatsApp group for the duration of the entire program, where Dr. Satish will be available for 1 hour on each day to answer any queries related to the program which has been given.
Someone has written a question that they don't have an eye problems, but they have a, 1 second, I'll just read the question again. If someone do not have the eye issues, but learning for benefit of family and for prevention, right, Ankur? This session will be valid for them also, correct?
Yes. So as you know, the program structure is, and these days, almost every person is spending on an average, whether it's a child or a middle-aged person to even elderly person now, a significant time over computers. There is a lot of nutrition and environmental issues. So eye is such an important part of our experience of life. So it is not only for any specific conditions you have, but definitely it is preventive, because if you take up this program, it is a lifetime skill. I see it that way. And, so yes, definitely it is a great program for both.
And someone has written, I am from Malaysia. Can I join the course? Of course, you can join the course because it is going to be online. Right, Ankur? She can join the course,
yes,
right?
Yes, you can join. And, Malaysia, still the time zone difference is not much. So you should be easily able to join our group session. An individual session, obviously, we will be scheduling at a mutual convenience. So that can be managed.
Thank you, Ankur. And people are asking for certified course. So I think in future, we may have the certification course also, right? Not right now.
Yeah.
Okay, can I take up this for glaucoma as well, or is it more specific towards vision correction? Mr. Sukhdev Singh, as Dr. Satish has also mentioned that yes, it can be taken for glaucoma also. There will be a specific case. If you want to share your details of the case and you want me to check up with him, then also you can buy the case. But this is definitely for vision correction. And for any particular cases, we can take up your cases and we can ask him. And after that, if he says yes, then also you can make the payment. Right, Ankur? We can take that, correct?
Yes, yes, yes. What we will be doing is for all the participants who register, we have a small questionnaire because that information will be required by Mr. Satish, Dr. Satish to develop the individual program. So
yeah. Thank you, Ankur. Galaxy A6 Plus, you've written here, would you be interested in certification course? Please keep updated. Are you there on our WhatsApp broadcast group? We will be keep on informing all the events there. So Prateek, I request you to share the link for the WhatsApp group also here so that people can be informed about our events.
Just to address this question on the certification, because I think
please.
This.
Yes,
so,
yes.
So this is a course for us, as a participant. So if you want a certification course to be an eye coach, it requires a lot more content, lot more practice, things like that. So right now we do, there is no such program for eye health coach as a coach, to be certified. But I'm sure in future, the school will come up with a program like that. If you want a certification of having completed this program as a participant, we can definitely look into that request.
Ankur, next question is session daily for 1.5 hours. They are asking how many hours is the session?
No, so Rupesh, there will be one opening group session, which will be a detailed session of 1.5 to 2 hours. That will cover the details in depth on the subject of eye, a common minimum program which everyone needs to be followed. And then there will be 2 1-hour sessions, which will be individual sessions, which will be spread over next 2 to 3 weeks of the program. Plus, there will be an ongoing support for entire 3-week duration, wherein every day at a fixed time of a 1 hour, Dr. Satish will open up the group and Dr. Satish will be available to answer any queries which is there. So three parts: group session, 2 individual session, and one, and an ongoing WhatsApp group.
Any review of previous sessions available? Yeah, my daughter has done the course from him. So that is one of the testimony I have. Any other thing, Ankur, we want to share on this?
So we are fortunate that this is the first of its program being delivered at such a large scale. Besides that, Dr. Satish has a lot of international people whom he consults. So he has given us a figure of more than 300 people, because it's a recent phenomena. He has trained and done coaching only exclusively online. So yes, definitely online works.
Ankur, there's one more question. Working people, how do they attend it?
So, so as we have scheduled the program. So for the group session, we are doing it on a Saturday. So definitely, I believe that should be manageable. Plus, we will be sharing the recording of that session also, people, in case they miss. We don't want, because that's the only group session. Rest 2 sessions are anyway individual sessions, which will be scheduled at a mutual convenience on your availability and Dr. Satish availability. We'll have a slot system, and we'll make our best effort to have a slot which works for both, for everyone.
Ketan, you have sent a message to me that you want to be updated. So we have shared the WhatsApp group link on the top. So I request you to click on that and join the group. So we'll be keep on posting there on the group. So to share more about that group is on an admin only settings, and we only talk about the paid as well as the free events with WellCure. Thank you so much. Any other questions?
And I think Mr. Ketan wants to know the fee and sitting. So fee, I think, can you again repeat for everyone?
Sorry, I missed that part. I'll just repeat it. Thanks, Ankur, for sharing with me. Yeah, I am ready for certificate of participation, fee structured and time when you are starting. So he's talking about the certified course. Mr. Ketan, you can unmute yourself and also ask.
Yes, ma'am. I'm asking about the certificate of participation course only, because in generally what will happen in group session, many problems will be there, patient will be there, or clients who are having certain issues, they will be attending. So being a practitioner, it's not possible for me to tune up every time. So I'm asking if particular time of 2 days or 3 days workshop or like 7 days of program is there for participation. I'm ready to for that. And what is the free structure as well as timing of that program?
Okay, so Ketan, as we shared, this is an online program. So there is only one group session, which will be there, and 2 individual session. We can definitely consider the request of. We'll give you a certificate of participation, and in terms of the structure, the cost and everything, the original cost is 2,550 rupees per person for 3 weeks, and we have also offered, if there are 2 children, if there is a parent or there is an elderly with who wants to attend from a same family, same location, we are offering an additional discount for that program as well. Yeah.
Okay. In the same program, you will be providing certificate of participation, right? So,
yeah. Once you complete after 3 weeks, you have gone. You need to attend all the 3 sessions to be eligible for the certificate of participation.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I think, Ankur, so how do we go about it? We give this special discount to all the people who has registered here, or we keep it open?
Yes,
okay,
I think the special discount is applicable for today, that 15%. You
okay.
share the link and we can mail them or and WhatsApp them that link, which is applicable today. And till 22nd, anyway, 10% discount will be open to all.